The browser in FL Studio is another trademark feature that enables very fast workflow. Using it is pretty simple. You click on a folder to expand or close it, much like you would in other programs, and then for audio files, you can just left-click once to preview them. One of the most basic and efficient uses of the browser is to drag one-shot drum or audio samples into the step sequencer. You don't actually have to create a channel beforehand. You can just drag the samples into a blank space, and it will automatically create an FL sampler channel. This is incredibly useful for constructing drum kits because rather than use a very RAM or CPU heavy plugin, you can quickly and easily drag these individual wave samples and write a pattern without having to worry about audio or MIDI routing. It's just pure inspiration and creativity. Under the browser settings, you can tweak things like size of the fonts, displaying file extensions, icons, sorting, similar to how Windows Explorer and Finder work on a PC or a Mac. To search for a specific file within the browser, the Smart Find option does the job pretty well. What sets this browser apart from a traditional file browser is the fact that it displays information about your current project. For example, by clicking on the current project folder, you can view all of your generators, effects, patterns, and MIDI-linked controls, and then make easy edits to them. You can also view presets for your plugins in the browser. By opening up the Plugin Presets folder, you can look at all of the presets for any given channel or generator. These are independent of the presets within a plugin. So for example, in Zebra 2, I have hundreds of patches that are stored internally to that specific plugin. FL Studio doesn't read those, it reads its own FL format presets. So to save such a preset, I would create the patch that I want in Zebra 2, then click on the wrapper menu and select Save Preset As. Lastly, you'll notice that I have many custom folders here. Just as a reminder, you can add your own custom folders by going to the Options of FL, then File Settings, and simply adding the folders you want to appear in the browser.